Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Garden Guitar. Nice to see you're back, guys. We have SOFI Tukkер here with a song called Hey Homie. This is for sure first time here for Tukkер on Garden Guitar, so it's always nice to cover a new artist. This one is cool, a little bit different. She says that in her song as well. This is a different love story, I believe, was the thing she said there about this one, and it actually is a little bit different but cool and nice to play and fits guitar very well as well. So yeah, let's take a look at this song. We're gonna use the capo here on the 3rd fret, and with that we have a couple chords to go over, and starting with the D major 7. We'll not use the full chords always because this is a picking pattern song, so we'll not do any strumming here, just picking patterns. But yeah, for the D major 7, what you do here is to play open D string, and then you put a short little bar on the 2nd fret and you cover the G, B, and E string. You will not use the E string, but yeah, just it's that easy. Just put a bar and cover everything down there. So bar on 2nd from the G string and down, and then you also include the open D. So there you have the D major 7. The next chord will be the B minor variation. We have still a bar chord here, a bar on the 2nd fret. You bar 5 strings from bottom up like this, and then you need to add 4th on D. All right, so that's it. 2nd on A, 4th D, and then 2nd G and B. That is what you're actually going to use. Okay, next chord is the G minor 7. Sorry, like this. So it goes 3rd on E, and then what you actually need here is open G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. Those 4 strings. Okay, then we have A, and that is the final chord. And what you can do here is just simply to play open A and then put a bar on the 2nd fret again. This time you bar the D, G, and B string. You can also go all the way down to E. You will not use the E string, but yeah, just put a bar on the 2nd fret from the D string and down, and then include the open A string as well. So there you have all the chords needed for the song. We're gonna look at from the beginning, look up the song from the beginning here, and we're gonna start with D major 7. So we have a pattern, a picking pattern that's the same through the entire song, and the pattern as well as a whole is played in the same way from the beginning till the very end. So D major, grab that chord, and one string around goes like this. So what you do here is simply to alternate the bass string with the other strings down there, so they kind of answering each other. So you're gonna play open D string, and then 2nd G and 2nd B together. And you're gonna do that for 4 times. So and then you end with the open D. That is 1 round. And there's a certain rhythm here. It goes like this. Okay, and a couple of rounds. Yeah, I played a couple of rounds there for you, just for you to understand how it goes and get the feeling for it. So 1 round, like I said, was this part, and you're gonna play D major for 2 rounds. Then you're gonna shift to the B minor chord, and you're gonna play it for 2 rounds as well. This time you use the 2nd fret A string as the bass note, and then you answer with the 4th D, 2nd G, and 2nd B played together. Okay, so That is one round. You follow the same pattern here as the D major 7. So that is one round. You're gonna play it for 2 rounds. So okay. Then you go to the G chord here, and you're gonna play 3rd on E string as the new bass note, and then you answer on the open G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. You play these 3 strings simultaneously, and that is one answering, so to speak. You're gonna play 1 string around of this only. So and then you go to A, and that's just a bar on the 2nd fret. Now the bass note is on the open A string, and you answer with 2nd D, 2nd G, and 2nd B together. You're gonna play it for 1 string around, so. And then you end the chord progression with the D major again for 2 rounds in the same way as you started. That's the end of it. So it both starts and ends on the D major 7 for 2 string rounds. So basically D major 2, B minor 2, G 1, A 1, and D major 2. It goes like this. Second round. Yes. A cool song, different from SOFI Tukker. Hey, homie. All right. So nice. Hope you enjoyed it. And I like to do this tutorial because I like the rhythm in this song. It's not always we have these kind of songs that has this kind of rhythm. So it's nice to have some different styles sometimes here covered on Gordon Guitar. Hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, give me a like on this tutorial and subscribe to this channel if you haven't yet. Appreciate that a lot. Thank you so much, guys, and play tuned.